Mura at high quality na smartwatch ba ang hinahanap ninyo? Well, I guess you came to the right video. This is the all-new Realme Watch 3. And bakit ko sinabi na mura at marami siyang features? Pakita ko sa inyo. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the Realme Watch 3. Kakalabas lang na itong watch na ito and it packs in a lot of features sa kanyang price point. And this watch is being sold at 3,499. But during the sale nila sa Lazada 99, this is only just 2,299. And at that price point, I can say wasak ang ibang watch sa kanyang presyo and sa kanyang mga specs. I think this is probably one of the clear winner pagdating sa smartwatches. Quickly, basahin ko lang mga specs dito sa gilid. It has a all-day comprehensive health monitoring, 110 na sports mode, 100 plus na stylish watch face. Stylish ang kanyang design, trendy. Well, kinda looks like Apple Watch. 1.8-inch na large color display. That I like. Clear Bluetooth calling. This is probably one of the features na wala sa ibang smartwatch at this price point. Kaya ako sinabi na it's one of the clear winners sa smartwatch. Buksan natin. So pagbukas natin ng watch, this is how it looks like. All you need to do is just press the power button for I guess 5 seconds para mag-on siya. And out of the box, di mo pa siya magagamit. All you need to do is download the Realme Link na app para i-pair ito watch na ito. After that, papasok na siya sa watch face and magda-download siya ng mga firmware updates just to keep it updated. And one of the things na gusto ko dito sa watch na ito, trendy siya and I like the way it is designed. Now, one of the things na probably sabi ko sa inyo wala sa ibang smartwatch is that walang Bluetooth calling at this price point. And nilagay ni Realme dito sa watch na ito, Bluetooth calling. What is Bluetooth calling? Meaning, pag nandito sa watch mo and yung phone mo is somewhere within the 10 meters range na kaya ng Bluetooth, kaya mo sagutin yung phone call. Just by pressing the answer button dito, pwede mo na siyang kausapin, just like this. Simple, but of course, due to privacy reason, ayaw mo marinig ng buong bayan ng pinag-uusapan nyo or probably kausap mo si Marites, well, yeah, you can use that feature privately. Maybe hindi sa loob ng LRT. Masasabi ko, quite trendy naman kanyang watch and I love the design it has. And really, the strap is comfy. There are some other brands na watch na medyo hindi ganun kasarap suotin ang kanyang strap. But this one, well, simple yet okay sa aking kamay. Hindi siya makati. And quite soft naman ang kanyang watch strap. Mabilis lang palitan din ng watch strap. Tanggalin mo lang tong latch na ito and sa taas. Then you can buy other straps na you want na might look good together with this Realme Watch 3. There's a lot of function dito sa watch na ito like workout and heart monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, sleep monitoring. Lahat nandito na. I mean, wala ka nang hanaping iba. Normally sa mga features na meron ng watch na ito sa ibang brands, I think it should cost you more or less 4,000 pesos and above, but not on this one. Lalo na kung naka-sale to, guys. Sobrang sulit. 2,299 sa sale ng Lazada. I think this is one of the good catch dito sa Realme, no? Itong watch na ito. And I think you should catch one of this watch, lalo na kung nag-sale si Realme, dahil you want to monitor your health using this watch. Sa inyong tulog, sa inyong steps throughout the day, exercise ninyo, and some other stats like blood oxygen level na might be really helpful. Lalo na itong pandemic. Changing watch face, it's really easy. Scroll ka lang dito. Or you can also check it sa Realme Link na app. To select, pindot. You can control ng music ng phone mode using this watch, which is very helpful, lalo na when you're working out, na naka-loudspeaker yung phone, nakatabi doon, nagte-treadmill ka. Pindutin mo lang sa watch, it's easy. Monitor all your activities over here, checking your sleep pattern, and also your heartbeat. You can also enable all of your notification dito sa watch na ito, depending sa app na gusto mo. And ako, always, ine-enable ko para ma-notify ako kung meron ng bagong email, bagong message. It's just a notification dito sa aking wrist, and pag feel ko importante, babasahin ko. Pag feel ko hindi importante, hiya mo lang. And for me, this is probably one of the best na fitness body na pwede mo isama, be it sa indoor or outdoor sports, swimming or jogging. Kaya na i-monitor lahat ng statistic ng inyong exercise dito sa watch na ito. And so guys, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, lalo na kung may sale, check mo on the description box below. Lalo na sa Lazada pa nag-sale itong watch na ito at $2,299. For me, it's definitely a steal. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?